Students involved in the Baltimore County Student Council met in person at the Delta Hotel for its first General Assembly meeting for the school year.
All of the students in Student Council from around the county are coming together today to engage in student leadership workshops, get to know one another, and network with peers from across the county. It's really special that this is our first meeting of the school year General Assembly-wise, but also because we are back in person.
They had many activities planned for the high school and middle school students so they could learn more about how they could do more advocacy work within their school buildings.
Just to see them collaborate and to build ideas off of one another and to be able to hone their leadership skills that they'll not only need for student council, but they'll need throughout their entire lives is awesome.
It's really amazing to be back in person, to see so many middle school students involved in student council this year. And we have our amazing student workshop coordinators who are making workshops, and it's just really amazing to see all the participation that we have this year.
Today's been really great and eventful, and it was mainly because it was an amazing time to do everyone around us, and it was a great workshop we had today. You know, everyone actually having great fun, and the mug collection, all of that was just an amazing time.
These students walked away with hearing different perspectives and created new friendships.